BTS today is the top K-pop group, a global superstar, but the starting point of the group is Big Hit Entertainment, a small Korean entertainment company. Thanks to BTS Miracle, now Big Hit has grown from a huge debt-bearing company into a large corporation, investing in many areas, acquiring a series of subsidiaries. Even recently, this powerful entertainment group has changed its name to HYBE Labels, bringing the ambition to expand into the world market when it has cooperated with Ithaca Holdings, a corporation in entertainment technology, the company that manages world-famous stars such as Ariana Grande, David Guetta, Demi Lovato, Justin Bieber, Black Eyed Peas. The small company almost went bankrupt due to a serious scandal, carrying huge debt. In K-pop, the concept Big Three exists. Those are the three biggest entertainment companies, SM, JYP, and YG. These three giants have financial potential, legendary artists, and above all have made their mark, together dominating the Korean music market for a long time. Smaller companies have little chance of success due to limited economic potential and resources. Every year, many new companies and new groups enter the market, but most of them quickly disappear because they cannot stay in this fierce battle. HYBE Labels, formerly Big Hit Entertainment, used to be such a small agency. On February 1, 2015, Bang Shi-hyuk, a manager who used to work at JYP Entertainment, established his own company. At the beginning of its operation, Big Hit met many difficulties and stood on the verge of bankruptcy many times. The company's operation was stagnant, the facilities were small and deteriorated, and the male singer K-Will left immediately after only 1 year of signing the contract. Big Hit at that time was the company that co-managed JYP's 2AM but did not achieve much. By 2012, Big Hit and Source Music cooperated to launch the girl group Glam, and this was the turning point of the company. However, this is not in a positive direction. Due to Dahi's scandal, Glam was forced to disband, and Big Hit carried a debt of up to 2.8 billion won. The company had only 30 employees, worked in a small space, and the whole company was valued at 6 million won. However, BTS debuted, experienced many difficulties and achieved success, gradually helping the company pay off debts and become the current strong entertainment empire. The strong rise of the company has threatened the solid position of the Big Three over the years, acquiring a series of subsidiaries and expanding business to global markets. After BTS achieved success, Big Hit, now HYBE, began to expand its empire by acquiring a series of subsidiaries, expanding the ecosystem. Source Music, its close partner and G-Friends Management Company, is the first company acquired by Big Hit. Thanks to its merger, after 8 years, G-Friend became the first and only girl group to appear in HYBE labels. Next, President Bang Shi-hyuk cooperated with media giant CJENM to establish B, Lift Lab, hold the survival show Island to debut and manage the group and Hypen. There are sources saying that the female version of Island will soon be held to find members for the company's new girl group. In 2019, 17 and NU'EST officially joined the same company with BTS through the acquisition of Pledis Entertainment by Big Hit. And finally, by 2020, Cause Entertainment, the company founded by Zico, has become the newest member of the HYBE Labels family, not only acquiring entertainment companies, but HYBE also expanded its field of activities, including social networks Weverse, HYBE 360, HYBE IP, HYBE Edu, Superb, specializing in areas such as games, technology, intellectual property, and education. Ambition to conquer the world. Becoming the top company in Korea and Asia, but recently, its ambition to conquer the world has been demonstrated by HYBE's cooperation with Ithaca Holdings, an entertainment and technology corporation that manages many world-famous stars like Ariana Grande, David Guetta, Demi Lovato, Justin Bieber, Black Eyed Peas. On April 5, the public was stunned when superstar Justin Bieber personally appeared in the introduction clip with CEO Bang Shi-hyuk and BTS, producer Scooter Braun, to congratulate the historic collaboration. From a small company, now HYBE is even the home of a series of famous artists from Europe and America. K-Not couldn't help but be stunned. They left comments admiring the leadership of CEO Bang Shi-hyuk and BTS Miracles. Is this really possible? April Fool's Day, I still can't believe it. Wait for Justin Bieber and BTS to cooperate. BTS has written a new page of history. Both Big Hit and BTS are amazing. Big Hit also changed the criteria from music and artists for healing to believe in music. Speaking about this, CEO Bang Shi-hyuk said, "We will become the world's leading entertainment and lifestyle platform company. By removing entertainment, we will have a new comprehensive image as a general contents group, which is our mission." Indeed, with its vision and efforts as well as BTS Miracle, HYBE has become an unimaginable great empire. Even in the video introducing the cooperation between HYBE and Ithaca Holdings, BTS, the key to success, the person who makes the company success cannot believe the truth. We're seeing things that we could never have imagined turned into, like this incredible news, and it makes us think there are no boundaries or limit to the work we're doing.